Attention, dear friends. Today's video is not just a regular one, it's a real journey into the world of numbers that can be your guides to luck and prosperity. December 16th is a special day, and I'm going to tell you about 5 lucky numbers that could change your life. But this isn't just about magic numbers. These numbers can guide you towards success, happiness, and harmony. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Get ready because today you'll discover how to use the power of numbers to reach your goals. By the end of this video, you'll see numbers in a whole new light. You'll understand how they can be more than just digits, they can be your key to abundance. Don't go anywhere. Let's start with the most important one, number 3. This number is always associated with creativity and inspiration. Perhaps it's number 3 that will bring that spark you need to start the new project you've been dreaming about. Think about how often creative people call their works a trio or use the number 3 in various forms. Whether it's music, art, or literature, number 3 always finds a way to create something new and vibrant. Once you notice this number in your life, remember, it's telling you that it's time to move forward and not stop at what you've already achieved. Embrace the possibilities and push past the boundaries you've set for yourself. Your ideas are waiting to unfold, and number 3 could be the sign you need to take that first step. Watch for it, your creativity will soar. Next, let's focus on number 6. This number is linked to harmony and balance. In each of our lives, there are moments when we lose our equilibrium. And here, number 6 comes to the rescue. It acts like a magnet, attracting everything needed to restore inner balance. If you're feeling stressed, anxious, or troubled, today might be the moment when number 6 brings you peace. Imagine standing at a crossroads, and this number helps you choose the right path that leads to peace within yourself. Number 6 could be telling you to slow down, breathe, and realign with your true self. It's a sign that the universe wants you to find calm and centeredness in your life. Trust it to guide you. Now, it's time for the powerful number 8. In our world, it's associated with abundance, luck, and prosperity. Why does it have such a strong influence on finances? It's simple. Number 8 symbolizes the endless cycle. It tells us that wealth never runs out but constantly comes back to us. Today, it might be this number that opens the door to a new source of income or new opportunities for business growth. Trust this number, as it could become your key to success. If you've been struggling with finances, number 8 could be a sign that positive change is on its way. Don't miss the opportunities coming your way, they are abundant and ready for you to embrace. Take action, and watch your financial situation improve. Now let's talk about number 1. This number is all about new beginnings. How many times have you wondered if you should start something new? Number 1 is telling you, yes, start. This number helps you open new horizons and embrace change without fear. Especially on December 16th, you may feel that it's time to take the first step toward your dream. It could be a new project, a new idea, or even a small change, but that change will lead to big achievements. Act boldly, and the path to success will open before you. Number 1 encourages you to trust yourself and take risks that could lead to great rewards. Don't hesitate, the world is waiting for you to take action. And, of course, special attention should be given to number 16 itself. After all, it's directly related to today's date. This number carries a powerful energy of transformation. When 16 appears in your life, it's a sign that it's time for change, for something to transform. Maybe it concerns your attitude towards yourself, your business, or life in general. Sometimes we just need a bit of inspiration to make a step into a new reality. Number 16 could be that signal that kicks off the process. Let go of the past and embrace the new, because today is a day of transformation. This number represents both endings and exciting new beginnings. What do all these numbers have in common? They all possess unique power. Number 3 gives us inspiration, 6 brings harmony, 8 signifies prosperity, 1 represents new beginnings, and 16 signals change. This collection of digits creates a full spectrum of opportunities for you. Understanding these numbers and their influence on your life will help you become more confident in yourself and your path. These numbers will guide you, showing you which steps to take in order to achieve success and harmony. Believe in their power, and you will see the world begin to change around you. Numbers are like gentle reminders, constantly guiding us toward our true potential. Embrace them and see where they lead. So how do we integrate these numbers into our lives? Let's start with something simple. Try to notice them every day. If you see number 3, think about what creative and new thing you can start that day. When 6 appears before you, pay attention to your balance. Don't forget about number 8 when questions arise related to money or career. And if number 1 shows up, know it's a chance for a fresh start. Developing the habit of spotting these numbers will create a sense of connection to higher forces that are always by your side. The more aware you become of these signs, the more guidance you will receive. Each number carries a message, and all you need to do is listen and take action. A story from my life: a few years ago, I encountered a moment when number 3 appeared to me, and I decided to take a big step. I started my YouTube channel, and that moment became the turning point in my new journey. Before that, I doubted, thinking it wasn't my thing, but the inspiration from number 3 pushed me forward. Since then, my transformation began, and I found my true purpose. This is a simple example of how numbers can become catalysts for change in our lives. When we open ourselves to the signs, we begin to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. I believe in the power of numbers, and this story is just one of many that can inspire you. So, don't wait for the perfect moment, take action today. It's important to remember that numbers are not just abstractions. They reflect real energies that can influence our lives. Every day we face different situations, and numbers help us interpret these events correctly. Numerology teaches us to read the signs that the world sends us through numbers. If you learn to view them as clues, your path will be much clearer and easier. This knowledge is available to everyone, and it can be the key that unlocks new doors for you. Numbers are part of the universe's blueprint, and understanding them brings us closer to our true purpose. Don't let these signs pass unnoticed, they are here to help you. Let's look at this from another perspective. Numbers aren't just personal symbols. They can be indicators for the people around us. For example, if you notice someone close to you often mentioning number 6, it could be a sign that they need more inner harmony. In such a case, this is a great opportunity to support them and be a source of strength in a difficult moment. We are all connected, and numbers help us understand each other better and understand our needs. This isn't just a personal practice, but also part of our connection to the world around us. The energy we share with others can be reflected in the numbers that appear in our lives. Pay attention and offer support when needed. In the process of working with numbers, it's important to develop intuition. It's this intuition that helps you feel which numbers are the most significant for you at any given moment. Perhaps some number became special to you due to personal experiences. In that case, it will become your personal talisman, a symbol of luck and success. It could be your birth date or the day of an important event in your life. It's important to listen to yourself and trust the numbers that come into your life. This connection between you and numbers is unique to each person, and it's something to cherish. Once you learn to tune in, you'll start to see the world in a completely new way. So, each day brings new opportunities, and your task is to learn to see them. All you need is a little attention and openness to the world of numbers. Apply this knowledge in practice, and you will see how you begin to feel more confident in yourself, how new horizons begin to open up. Let numbers become your faithful companions that help you move forward. Don't limit yourself to just what I'm sharing. Explore on your own, find your lucky numbers, believe in their power, and success will surely follow. The more you work with numbers, the more aligned you'll feel with your true path. Embrace their guidance with open arms, and you'll notice amazing changes in your life. In conclusion, I want to say that number magic isn't just a game of chance. It's a real art that requires awareness and attentiveness. Perhaps today new perspectives will open up for you, and these 5 numbers will be your guides. The numbers we talked about today can become the tools that help you find your true strength. They can influence your future, and it's up to you how you use them in your life. Trust in their messages and let them lead you to new opportunities. The world is filled with signs, and numbers are one of the clearest. All you have to do is open your mind and heart to receive their guidance. If you liked this video and want to learn more about numerology and the power of numbers, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Here, we'll share secrets and knowledge that can change your life. Share this video with your friends so they can start their own journey to success. Leave your comments, tell me how numbers influence your life, and what you feel when you encounter them every day. Your stories could inspire others to look at numbers differently and make positive changes in their lives. Let's build a community of people who embrace the power of numbers together. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. We're all in this together. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found something valuable and useful in it. Remember, numbers are not just digits, they are keys to your future. May each day be filled with new opportunities and lucky encounters. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. May luck always be with you, and may numbers guide you down the right path. Keep believing in yourself, and keep striving to be the best version of you. You have everything you need to succeed, just trust the numbers, and they'll show you the way. Finally, friends, don't forget, each day we create our own reality. All you need to do is follow your path and trust the signals the universe sends you. And numbers, these are our loyal allies. Let them help you take that step toward your great success today.